Hey everybody, Steve from OpenBOM. In today's video, we are going to install and build a bill of material with Autodesk Fusion 360 using OpenBOM, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to get to your first BOM with part numbers and the whole thing. So let's get started. We're going to head over to openbom.com, and I'm going to go through all the details here, so just kind of bear with me. openbom.com, product, integrations, CAD integrations. I'm going to find Fusion 360. I'm going to click the download page here. There's some information here about product details, but I just want to jump over to the App Store. Okay, I'm going to jump over to the Autodesk App Store. I'm running a Windows box right now. Click on Windows, click on download. I'm going to download the add-in. Go ahead and save that to my local machine and run it and install it. Okay, so once I've done that, I start Fusion with my favorite design, and you may have to go to add-ins. I'll show you how to do this here. Go to add-ins. You may have to click on OpenBOM and do start and run. So sometimes in some machines you'll start automatically, in others you might have to go to the add-ins and enable OpenBOM and say start, run on startup. Okay. Once you do that, you'll have an OpenBOM menu with a button. We're going to click on that. We don't have an account yet in OpenBOM, so I'm going to click on create an account, and I'm just going to go over here and fill out the details on this and create a new account with OpenBOM, new registration, provide your details, and you'll be all set. Once you do that, you'll be taken to the OpenBOM dashboard. That's really not important. What is important is that you remember your username and password. So we've installed the add-in. We click the create a new account. We're back here in Fusion, and we're just simply going to provide the credentials that we just created. And that's it. There's some quick start settings here. Leave them all in the on the default, and just click create BOM. So all I did was I installed the add-in. I clicked the button up at the top, created an account if I needed to. Otherwise, signed in, click the create BOM button. OpenBOM's going to automatically assign part numbers, going to pick up the structure, going to build a nice looking bill of material. And again, this is a relatively simple design, but I wanted to bring this up so that I could show the details here. So we ended up with bill of material, has got all of our part numbers here. The top level is F-0000, and all the parts below it are F-1, 2, 3, and 4. You can see we built all these out right here. So that is 2 minutes. We created a bill of material using OpenBOM, and then finally, if we are interested, we can click this little icon here and be taken to kind of a larger version of the BOM in the web browser. So enjoy. If you have any questions, hit us up at support@openbom.com. Thanks.